I'm Steve Denning. I'm a professional musician and music instructor. This is my studio, and these are my students. I'm going to prove to my colleagues and to all of America that I can take 6 middle-aged women who have never played music before, teach them instruments, turn them into a band, and take them to the top of the charts.
What an amazing day. Southern California, at the beach. It doesn't get any better than this. This is why we live here.
The funniest thing is, with all the production crew and the camera around and the ladies all in white, a lot of people at the beach actually thought that we were we were from some other television show where they have a dude that has like 17 wives, and so that was super funny. We kind of went with it at one point.
Oh, yeah, that must be that show. That's what they're doing. And even though Steve would love to be married to all of us.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen. I can barely handle these ladies for like a couple hours playing music during the week, let alone, having like, 6 of them as wives.
He would love it. He would be like, woohoo, I got all these girls.
None of that.
But no, it was cute though. Everybody was like watching us, and so that was it was fun. It was like, we had a good time doing it. We really did.
I googled it, and the Oceanside Pier is the longest on the West Coast. I had no idea. Who knew?
Come on, guys. Hey,
What's up, dude?
you too. Hey,
What's up, dude? Good to see you.
too, man.
How's everything?
Great, man. I just spent the last couple hours surfing.
Oh, that's always good times, right? Ladies, do you know who this is?
It's Josh Royce.
Josh Royce.
Josh Royce.
He's been on American Idol. He's a professional singer-songwriter. He's a talented dude. He's gonna play a song for you. And we're gonna do some talking about music and practicing and playing, all that good stuff. You wanna say hi?
Yeah. Hi, guys.
Hi.
It's a beautiful night. I think it's kind of the perfect location for me to play you a song called Paddle Out. So I think one of the most powerful lessons in songwriting that I ever had was just kind of listening to honest moments in life, and surfing gave me a lot of those moments. And it made for an awesome song. The song's called Paddle Out.
I found myself in the paddle out towards the waves, and I felt my soul in the midlight, right in a dream. It can't, no it can't be explained. Love, it can't, no it can't be explained. Oh, I found myself in the stillness of dancing flames, and I felt my soul in the middle of chasing my shame. It can't, no it can't be explained. Love, it can't, no it can't be explained. Oh, la, la. strange. Oh, la, 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 la. I found myself in the stillness of dancing flames, and I found my soul in the middle of chasing my shame.
Really nice. Really good. Wow. Cool. So, these ladies are going through songwriting. Like, what can you tell me about your experience as a songwriter? Like, how do you do it? Like, what do you go through? Like, has it always been easy for you?
Well, it definitely hasn't always been easy. Songwriting is an interesting process, though, because it's always different. So, you know, being a musician, it's one of those funny careers where life isn't exactly a 9 to 5. You never know when you're going to be inspired. So,
Super true.
you know, you might wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning, but your journal has to be by you, your pen has to be by you, wherever you are, if you consider yourself a songwriter. Because you never know when those moments of inspiration are going to come in. It's a very real, very powerful moment, and you feel something, it moves your hand to the paper, and whatever you write, you're going to cherish that, and it's going to stick in a song, it's going to stick in other people's minds too. Because those moments of inspiration are moments that we all have, and it connects to everybody. You know? So that's the songwriting process. It's just there is no real process. It's not streamlined. It's inspiration. It's whenever you feel inspired. It's, you know, at 3 o'clock in the morning, or at 7 o'clock in the morning, or at 8 o'clock at night, or 10 o'clock at night.
Yeah.
You never know when it's going to come. And then, as far as building the song, like, and actually putting together a song that works for everyone else and that connects to everyone else, that's the system of like getting together with your group and practicing and rehearsing until you have, you know, the pieces of the song, the chorus, the verses, the bridges, and you need to, you know, have a strategy to how you're gonna, you know, build your songs. Make sure you have a hook. So you have the inspirational writing element, then you have the structured, let's get this down so that the band can rehearse to it, and then you have to be super disciplined and focused on, you know, rehearsing those different items.
That's true.
Well, you've played with a band and without a band, right?
Yeah, I played both ways. Yeah.
What do you like better? Or is there...
You know, it's both. I love them both equally. It's like two children. You don't love one more than the other.
Well,
I
that's
mean,
a hugely, that's
You
a
always
hugely
have one
different thing.
child.
yeah, there you go. She has favorites, guys.
Wow, nice. I hope your kids see this. They're just like,
Yeah, I mean, what's key is like, for example, the writing process is pretty unique, and I've never been in a full band, so I've always been a singer-songwriter, and that is a unique dynamic in that everything I write is mine. You know, I'm attached to it. No one collaborated with me to write those lyrics or that lyrical content. So the message of the song is always very, very much so mine, and I'm very intimate with it. And then the next important step is finding people who vibe well with them.
Yeah.
So if you guys are vibing well, everything's going to click. But as soon as the vibe starts to lose its balance, and people aren't in tune with the message of the material, the bands usually fall apart.
so true.
You know, and
So true.
I mean, it's more than musicality. It's energy that we exchange with each other.
Yeah. And being like nice.
Yeah, nice is so important. I've heard people say, get this, I've heard people say that you got to be a mean guy to make it in this industry. That's
So
totally wrong.
untrue.
No, not at all.
And then even if you're playing well, I mean, you all hear stories about those bands, right? That they hate each other and then they have to go on stage and stuff.
Totally.
And who wants that?
Nobody. That's not even fun. Then you've ruined the whole point of the whole thing. Like,
Exactly.
the point is go up there, vibe with your people, and vibe with your group, and exchange awesome, positive energy, and it builds. I mean, that's the magic of music, right? We connect through music more than we connect through a lot of different.
I was talking to you about like there's a difference between like a novel and like literature.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? There's novels, there's like stories, and then there's actually, you know, stories with deep intent and meaning. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And so songwriting is the same way, right? You have tunes like Justin Bieber tunes that are like really well written, they're played by great people, I mean, you're laughing, but how come that guy's so famous? Man, he sells a million gajillion records because his songs are well written, they're well produced, but they don't have depth. You know what I'm saying? And there's no like deep meaning behind it. It's like reading a romance novel or something.
Right.
And it has its place, but it's not like deep.
Totally. And you guys are at different stages in your life, so like you have like wise, beautiful like messages to bring across to people, right?
Yeah.
You totally do.
Absolutely. We've lived it. Yes.
You're still living it.
Yeah.
You know, that's the point. That's the point of all this.
Yeah.
How old were you the first time you wrote something?
First time I wrote something, 15 years old.
Like a passion and a love you had?
Yeah, it was like a passionate love ballad to the woman I was going to marry for the rest of my life.
How's that working
She's
out?
married to someone else. And they've got a boat and dogs.
That's how it goes. Right?
Yeah, totally.
I know.
So you should write a song about that, their boat. And
I
their
should. It'll be a country western, and it'll be like, I'm not missing you.
Yeah, I hope you're happy with your boats and dogs. There you go. All right. So Josh, could you sing us one more tune, please?
No way.
But
Yeah, okay. I'll play a song. I'll play an upbeat kind of. Let's see. The song's called Womanizer, actually.
All right.
I wrote it when I was in flight school.
Well, you're in
man.
the right company for that, dude. You better watch out. These girls will tear you up, dude.
This is one of those drinking songs.
Oh, grab a cold beer and listen to me. Baby, I can teach you everything. I'm a no good devil sitting on top of your heart. 'Cause I ain't found love in too many years. Cold hard case after too many tears. See, my lover was a leader, born to be the reaper of hearts. Now I'm just looking for a real good time. Baby, you can have me, but my heart is mine. I'll take you for your wildest ride. Baby, if you kiss me, you will lose your mind.
I mean, I just love his voice. He's so handsome, such a cute kid.
I don't think he talked though. No, I was just staring at him.
He seems so much older than what his age is.
He's got this really cool Zen vibe for somebody so young.
Good thing I'm an old lady and I'm not young because he was freaking adorable.
He's just amazing. The girls really enjoyed it. Steve thought it was great.
We had some great team building exercises today, like getting the girls out in the bike carts in groups, and also even something as silly as marching carrying a surfboard. But you know, it really helped to get the ladies to pull together and start to work as a team. So it was good. The girls kind of like bonded a lot more, I think. You know, meet each other's families and have a lot of fun. It was really great that Josh came out. It was super awesome to talk with him about crafting songs and about how important it is to find musicians that can kind of gel together and work together really easily. So, I mean, you never kind of know, where music's going to take you. It reminds me of something Billy Joel once said. I'm no longer afraid of becoming lost, because the journey back always reveals something new, and that is ultimately good for the artist. I think I got sand in my guitar case. That's no place for sand.